Step 1. Press and hold the adjust button until you hear the beep. Step 2. To change the time zones, press the start button and you'll see the different countries or cities and the time zones. So DXB is Dubai, like SIN is Singapore, HKG is Hong Kong. I'll be leaving a short picture. I'll leave it up for 3 seconds and you guys can pause the video to see which time zones you are at. So you can press the start button and that will change the time zones. So I'm in Kuwait and there is no Kuwait. So there's Jeddah and that's in Saudi Arabia and that's the closest time zone to Kuwait. So we'll be navigating through that. So if you made a mistake, just simply go back. So here we go. Now press the mode button again and you'll see that it's blinking the word off. And all that means is that the daylight saving mode is off. To turn it on, press the start button and you'll see that it turns on. And if you want to leave it off, simply press the start button again. Press the mode button again and you'll see that it changes the 12-hour zone, or if you press it to be starts, it will leave it at the 24-hour zone. I'm going to leave it at 12 hours. Now, if you press the mode button again, you'll see that it will change the seconds. Now, you cannot change the exact seconds value, but all you can do is simply press start and it will reset it back to 0. Now, if you want to press the mode button again, it will change the hours. So now, as you can see, it simply says it's 7 p.m. And all you have to do to increase the value is press start. So start makes it 8, 9, 10. And if you press the light button, it will decrease in value. So see, it will go down to 9, 8, 7. And you select it depending on your time zone. Press the mode button again. And you'll see that you can change the minute value. And then again, it's the same exact principle. So if you press the start button, it will increase the value of the minutes, and the light button decreases the value of the minutes. And if you press mode one more time, you can see that there is the option to change the year. So if you click the light button, you will go down a year. Obviously 2020, we're not in 2020 anymore. So if you click the start button, it will go back to 2021. And if you click the start button again, it will go all the way up to 2022. And just a quick little note for you guys, this shows the calendar up until the year 2099. So that's a pretty cool feature from Casio. Now let's press the mode button again. And you'll see that you can change the date. To me, it's showing that we are currently in July and it's the 26th. So that's the correct date. And if you wanna, again, change the date, so simply press the start button and it will go back the month for you guys. And if you press the light button, it will simply decrease. Now let's press the mode button again. And it's gonna show you that you can change the days of the month. Today's the 26th, so I'm gonna leave it at that. And it's the same exact principle that I guys showed you. So start and light will be changing the value that is blinking on the screen. So if you want to go up a day or down a day, these are the two buttons you should focus on. Now pressing the mode button again, you'll see that the word key and there is the music icon. I'm not sure what it's called exactly, but all that does is control the key function tone. If you want to switch it off, all you do is press start and it currently says mute. I'm going to leave it on. So I'm gonna leave it where it keeps on blinking the word key. And if you press mode again, you'll see that the word light and a number 1 blinks. And all that is simply the brightness of the light function when you do press the light button. So if you click the word start, you'll see that it has an option of number 3, and that's the brightest option. And number 1, that's the least brightest option. I'm gonna leave it at number 3. Now, if you click mode one last time, it's going to go back to the original start setting function. And all you do is press adjust once and it will automatically adjust all the settings that you chose. So I'm going to press adjust and you'll see that the watch will adjust. And there you go. It's easy as that. And I hope you guys found this video useful. If you have any other questions, do let me know down in the comments below. As always, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care.